Hello, this is Jeff from funoutfitters.com with your tech tip of the day. Today we're going to go about checking and adjusting your APV cables on your 2010 Arctic snowmobiles. Now, the proper way to adjust your APV cables is you have to remove them out of the servo motor before you can adjust them. Now, these are very critical measurements that you have to have on the end of your servo motor cables to make sure that your servo motors are working in a proper operation. So what you do is you take your servo motor clip off that goes over your cables. That's on the 800 and 1000 models. Pull that clip off. What you do is take and turn your servo motor counterclockwise, which kind of loosens up your cables. You pull your cables out from underneath the block that goes up into the servo motor, and then you slide your cables out of the servo motor actuator on top. So once you get those out, then you're going to take a measurement from the end of your cable housing to right where the barrel starts that hooks into your servo motor actuator. And that there's three different measurements. There's one for the 600cc, one for the 800cc, and one for the 1000cc. Now the 600cc measurement should be 1.417 inches. That's from, like I said, from the cable housing to right on the end of the ball where it goes into the servo motor. 800cc should be 1.377, and the 1000 should be 1.319 inches. Now you want to make sure that you have these all set correctly. If they're not correct, then you can just loosen the adjusters that are on the cable and turn the adjusters one way or the other, either the length of your cable or shorten the cable. Just make sure you get them right into that spec. Tighten everything down. Take your cables, hook them back into the actuator for the servo motor. Pull them down, hook them back into the block that goes up into the servo where the cables sit into. Rotate your servo motor actuator clockwise so it tightens up your cables, and then install your servo motor clip that holds your cables into position. Once you do this, you should have no problems. Your cables should actuate the way they're supposed to, and your valves should work perfectly the way they're supposed to. Again, this is Jeff from funoutfitters.com with your tech tip of the day. You can give us a call, 866-531-0123, or look us up on the web at funoutfitters.com. Thank you.